How to change desktop background image in Windows 10. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how to change your desktop background in Windows 10. So it is very easy to change up a desktop background. So you can also follow up this method and you should be able to change the desktop background. For that, go to your desktop, and once you're here, you can just go ahead and right click on your desktop. And once you've done that, you'll be finding an option called personalize. So you can just go ahead and select that option. This one right here. And when you open it up, it will open up your settings. So once you're here, you can directly set up your background. Like you can go ahead and browse up images that you want to set up as your background. For example, I want to set this picture as my background. So you can just go ahead and select up the picture that you want as a background. And when I go back, you can see the changes has been applied. So you can also follow up the same method in order to change the background as well. You can also add picture from your own computer as well if you want. And that's how you basically change up your desktop background, following up this method, which is super easy. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you. And thank you for watching this video.